Yes student, again I am making the video of rational and irrational number. This video was uploaded earlier, but due to some technical problem it was not uploaded correctly, so that's why I am preparing it again. So we are studying what are rational and irrational number. Rational number and irrational number. First come to rational number. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p is integer as well as q is integer, are called as rational number, but the denominator q should not be equal to 0. For example, if I am writing 7 by 3, then 7 is integer, 3 is also integer, 7 is integer, 3 is also integer. Then 7 upon 3 will be called as rational number. If I will write only 3, then it is also rational number. Why? Because at the denominator in place of q there is integer 1. So minus 3 will also be called as rational number. But if I will take 5 upon 0, then this will not be called as rational number because it is in p by q form, but the denominator q is equal to 0, and according to the definition the denominator q should not be equal to 0. So this is not rational number. Such numbers are called rational number. Now come to irrational number. Any number which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called as irrational number. If here I will take example 7 upon 3, same example I am taking 7 upon 3, then it is not called as irrational number. Why? Because it is in the form of p by q. It means we cannot take 7 upon 3, we cannot take minus 1, 0, such type of numbers are not called as irrational number. Then which number will be called as irrational number? For easy understanding we can say any number in square root form are called as irrational number. Suppose I am writing under root 2, then it is irrational number. I will take under root 3, then it is irrational number. But if I will take under root 4, then it is not irrational number. Why? Because after calculation under root 4 will be changed into rational number, that is 2 multiplied 2. Pair is formed, so it will change into 2. So under root 4 is not called as irrational number. Under root 5 is irrational number. So any number which can be written in the form of square root are called as irrational number. So this way we can identify rational and irrational. Also on the basis of decimal expansion we can classify them. First come to the decimal expansion of rational number. Rational number has two type of decimal expansion. Number first, terminating decimal expansion, and number second, non-terminating recurring means repeated decimal expansion. Now let us understand what they are. What does they mean? I am taking an example 5 upon 2. If I will going to divide 5 upon 2, means 5 is to be divided by 2. Then what will happen? 2 2 is 4. After subtracting we get 1 at the denominator. Taking the decimal we get 0. 2 5 is 10. When we divided 5 by 2, what we are observing? The remainder becomes 0. And the answer that we get is 2 decimal 5. Here the digit after the decimal came to an end. So such type of decimal expansion are called terminating. This is terminating because the digit after the decimal came to an end. So that's why it is called terminating. Let us take one more example. Next example I am taking 7 upon 3. If we are going to divide 7 by 3, then what will happen? 3 to 6, 1 will be the remainder. take the decimal 0, 339, again 1 will be the remainder since decimal is there, so we can take 0, again 3 times we will get 9, again we are getting the remainder 1. So when we divide it again and again, every time what we are observing, every time we are getting the remainder 1, and the digit after the decimal 3 again and again we are observing, so 3 is repeated. So what we are observing here, the digits after the decimal do not came to an end, so that's why it is called non-terminating. Also the digit 3 is repeated many times, so it is called recurring. So such type of decimal expansions are called non-terminating recurring. Recurring means repeating. So on the basis of these decimal expansion also we can classify them as rational number. Now come to the decimal expansion of irrational number. Decimal expansion of irrational number. Irrational number has only one type of decimal expansion, that is non-terminating, non-recurring. Recurring means repeated decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. So by an example, let us understand what does it means. I am taking an example 88 by 7. Right now you will say 88 upon 7 is an irrational number. Let us take some example. Commonly I am taking an example. If I will write 12.5174 and so on. Here what we are observing, the digits after the decimal do not came to an end, and the digits are not repeated. So such type of decimal expansions are called non-terminating, non-recurring. If we will take the value of under root 2, it is 1.41 and so on. The digits after the decimal do not came to an end, and the digits are not repeated, so they are called as non-terminating, non-recurring. If I will write 3.201, 2001, 2001 and so on, then this is also called non-terminating, non-recurring. Why non-terminating? Because digits do not came to an end. And why non-recurring? Because digits are not repeated. We are observing this is 201, then 2001, then 2001. So this way we can classify on the basis of decimal expansion rational and irrational numbers. Thank you.